Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Russell, and today in class we are going to explore a website called Canva.com. This is an online editing tool that we'll use throughout the year in various projects. So I'm just going to kind of show you what you can do with it and give you the general overview. So first you'll get to the website. It's just Canva, Canva.com. I already have an account, so I'll just log in here. If you need to sign up, you'll click the sign up button. All right, so we're logged in, and this is what the main screen looks like. Before we go into looking at all the different types of designs you can do, I'm going to show you some past ones that I've done for various jobs that I've had, so you can kind of see how this will relate to the real world. The first one we're going to check out is a brochure that I used this website to create for a deck and basement remodeling company I worked for. So this is just kind of what it looks like. You see over here, there's various templates you can use. Currently, I have the free version. When I was working for this company, I had the paid version. So I was able to do a little bit more with the free version, though there's still plenty you can do. You have plenty of options there. So yeah, you can just kind of make a brochure, put in the information you want. You can pick from a template, or you can just create your own completely. So here's kind of brochure. It was a newsletter that was mailed out to customers. Second thing is Twitter headers. So you could do Facebook headers, Twitter. You can create posts for any social media site as well. So this was for a cafe in the Washington, PA area, and this was their Twitter header. Same thing, you can choose from templates, or you can just totally design your own. The next one was a postcard that the same company previously worked for and sent out. So this is various templates that were used trying to decide what exactly the look we wanted to go for was. And next, this is a flyer. This flyer was for that same cafe as the Twitter header. So you can create flyers as well. This website allows you to do a lot. And then this is just another flyer. So you can get creative. You could choose any colors you want. Same thing again. You can choose from templates and just insert. You can see this is the template that was used for this one, and then just put in all of our own information. And all right, let's go back to the home screen. So you have here the recommended for you. This is kind of just based on other things I have done. So you see I created all my wedding invites, my wedding programs, save the date, etc. on here as well. You can see you can create presentations, a card, a flyer, even a parent report card, invitations. I did that for my wedding, posters. And the other fun thing too is you can actually order your prints from this site as well. So if you get to a project and you can download them and just print them from your computer, or if you want them professionally printed, this site does it for you. You can also create logos, Facebook posts, like I said, infographics, your story, so like Instagram, Facebook, and Snapchat. You can create a post for your story. This is great for businesses, I think. Brochures, photo collages, your resume, which is something we may be doing later in the year on here. Business cards, literally anything and everything you want. So let's just go and click in one and we'll explore a little bit so you can see. So actually, let's do a poster. So on here you have all the different ones you can pick from, their templates, and let's see. Here, let's do coronavirus. So this could be safety tips you're doing, or it's just you like this template, whatever it may be for. Maybe you're creating a poster for the school play or something like that, and this is just a template you really like. You can go in, you can edit any of this, you just type right in. You can delete pictures and add your own in. You can change the colors of your backgrounds. You go here, or you can create your own color. You can add in photos. There's ones that the website allows you to use, or you can upload your own right here. You'd click that and you can upload from your computer. There's kind of clip art images. This is for if you want to insert photos, you can put that onto the poster and then the photos will go right into there. Stickers that move if this is an online type of thing. Different text fonts, same thing. You can delete any of these text and just drag in your own. You can even insert video as well if it's online poster you're trying to create. Backgrounds, there's various backgrounds you can choose from. And then if you want to name your poster, that's up here. And let's just say, we'll just call it poster and be done. So yeah, that's kind of your general overview. If you want to print the posters, you would go to here. What size do you want? How many copies, etc. It's not that cheap, honestly, to print from here. But it's professionally done. Or if you just want to download it, you click here. You can save it as a PDF, PNG, JPEG, video, etc. You download it to computer, and there you go. That's it. So there's your general overview. And you'll get some time to explore this on your own, or go ahead, create your account now and explore it for yourself. All right, talk soon. Bye-bye.